All right, here's the fourth kind of a problem. This has to do with linear regression. Now what we have here is the output from a linear regression model that included all of these as the independent variables and selling price as the dependent variable. Okay, so the first question that would come up in something like this is this question down here. Which variables should be included in the final model? Bathrooms and living area, and you get that from the ones that are starred off. Okay, these are starred off, and they also are less. The p-values associated with these two variables are less than 0.05. So there's two different ways to choose those. One is very simply with the star, and then secondly with the p-value. And the smaller the p-value, the more important overall to the model the variable even is. So the star indicates its importance, but the p-value itself, the smaller it is, the more important it is overall to the model. All right. Then over here we have one other question I'm going to put on this kind of a test, on this kind of a question. And I'm going to ask about this thing over here called adjusted R squared. What does the value for adjusted R squared stand for? Well, for this particular case, 91.8% of the variation in selling price, and selling price was the dependent variable, and that does vary. You know, some houses are more money than others. So 90% of the reason for this difference between one house and another is related to the variables in this model. So that's where we get, you know, why is the price of the house changing? Due to the dependent variables in this model. And that's it. That's the fourth kind of a question you'll see.